Good evening, everybody. Hello. Good evening. Warm welcome for all of you. So today we will see the chapter body fluids and circulation. So it is known for us that this chapter had a specific significance in CBSE, NCERT syllabi as well as the NEET examination. Before to face this quiz valuation for the chapter, you have to visit the Mahadev Munde NEET channel, where I had been briefly described the central idea of the chapter that proved fruitful or beneficial a lot for you people to resolve the MCQs those arranged in this video. So we will see one by one. Let's move for this is my address here. Whenever you have any difficulty in any chapter for the entire biological aspects, then you have to approach for me on the given contact. Then I try to resolve your problem. So we will see one by one. Let's move for the next slide. So see here, this is the first question, and this question asked in NEET phase 2. Name the blood cells whose reduction in number can cause clotting disorder leading to excessive loss of blood from the body. So here it is known for us that clotting of blood is the mechanism that had been concerned with the thrombocytes, because these thrombocytes means these are the platelets, and these cells release thromboplastin, one of the initiator for the process of blood clotting mechanism, Hence, there is no need to think about the erythrocytes, leukocytes, neutrophils. They does not contribute anything in regard of the blood clotting mechanism. Hence, the correct option for this question is D. D is correct. D. Fourth option, thrombocytes, is correct. Let's move for next. Again, this question concerned or related with the cell types, blood cell corpuscles, and which blood cells can engulf bacteria by phagocytosis. So each of us know that phagocytosis mechanism. So here these eosinophils and basophils behave as a non-phagocytic. Lymphocytes involved in allergic reactions, allergic responses. So it is known for us that the abundant type of WBCs in the total WBC count, neutrophils behave as a phagocytic cells, as well as monocytes, those chased in macrophages and behave as scavengers. So they also exhibit the phagocytosis mechanism. Hence the correct option for this question is C, neutrophils and monocytes. C. Third option is correct. Let's move for next. Third question. So see here, they provided for us one figure of human blood cell. Obviously this also belongs to the leukocyte type, WBC type. We have to identify, and then characteristics match we need to do here. So see here, whenever you check out the matching, so in this case also, first you have to identify the figure. In figure, the nucleus is there, cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, granules are there. So this is the granulocytes. Hence, there is no question of the B option and D, because lymphocytes and monocytes, that are the agranulocytes. So this is granulocyte. Then the cytoplasm, twisted type of cytoplasm. This is the twisted type of cytoplasm. So twisted type of cytoplasm and granules are present in the basophils, and these cells are responsible for production of the anticoagulant heparin, serotonin, and the histamine, which behave as inflammatory. That histamine gives the inflammatory response. Hence, the correct option for this third question is A. A is the correct option. A. First option is correct. First option is correct. Let's move for the next question. Let's move for the next question. Again, here they provided for you the 4 type of the figures, and then the percentage had been given with respect to them, and the functional aspect also mentioned. So in this case, you must have to know the percentage. So it is known for us that we will be get the idea for solving this question from the previous one. Here again, in case of the B option, you have to see that the nucleus is twisted, and the cytoplasm is granular. So here this is a basophil cell. Structure is in B option, and it is known for us that the low count, it means in the total WBCs, the basophils are 0.5 to 1%, and in previous question we had seen that the cells responsible for production of the histamine and serotonin. Hence there is no need to see, because in other type of the cells that relationship is not correct. Whenever you check out the A, C and D, in that case the percentage and the functional relationship does not match with the respective type of the cell. Hence the correct option is B. Correct option is B. That is, second option is correct. Second option is correct in this case. Let's move for the next slide. So here, this is a question related to the blood group. You must have to know the genotype, then the homozygous nature and the heterozygous nature of the respective genotypes. So this Asha lady married with the one person who had a blood group type A and got a child of blood group type O. She divorced and then remarried with the second husband, who had a blood group B, and from that second husband, she had got the child of blood group AB. They asked for us which type of genotype Asha had and she had a blood group. So for this purpose, you have to see the solution that provided by me. Here, this is the solution which is applicable. You put the question mark and then consider the first husband genotype. So genotype, 2 types of the genotypes are possible for the blood group A. IA small I or IA. And then the child is of O type. Then when she married with the second husband, you have to put a question mark and cross that with the second husband. So IB small I. So that B antigen and A antigen you have to consider at the top of that allele. IBI or IB. And then, so in both the cases, case first and case second, the corresponding type of childs only produced whenever the Asha had of course here, whenever the Asha had a genotype II or IA, it means whenever she had the blood group A, then and then only the child from first husband and the second husband, that O type and AB type might have been possible. Hence the correct option is D. Correct option is D in this case, D. Fourth option is correct. Let's move for the next question. So see here, Again, this is the question related to the genetics. Here, this is the case of erythroblastosis poetalis. So, the destruction of RBCs takes place, and that ultimately resulted into the death of the corresponding child. So, for this question also, solution had been provided. So, see here in this solution, let's move for the next solution. Show for me the solution. So here mother had have a Rh negative and father had have a Rh positive. So the mother is homozygous for negativeness. So alleles are smaller. Father is responsible for the positiveness. So the alleles are capital R, and then the product, it means the child they produce or bear, that with the Rh positive. In this case, what happens? Let's come back. In this case, what happens? The first child which is produced from such type of the couple or the spouse that have no danger of the erythroblastosis poetalis, but the second issue and the next issue they had have a danger, because the Rh antibodies, those come from the first issue in the blood of mother. If that mother after the delivery does not administered with the anti-Rh antibody, then the second issue and onward issues had have a danger of erythroblastosis poetalis. Hence, the B option for this 6th question, B option, second option is correct. There is no need to see the other options. Already the information is available on the available in the NCERT content. Need to administer anti-Rh antibodies to the mother, then there is no any risk or any danger for the second and the onward issues. Let's move for the next slide. So this is again the question related to the blood clotting mechanism, and it is known for us that from the previous question that at the time of blood clotting mechanism, cascade events happen, that are the molecular interactions, cascade events. In that cascade event, the first initiator that had been released from the thrombocytes of the platelets where they can get injured, that is the tissue factor, thromboplastin, CD cluster differentiation 142, that is the initiator. Heisman factor, blood clotting, 12th factor. So tissue factor is the third blood clotting factor, Heisman factor is the 12th, and calcium bivalent cation. So these are the molecules, those can contribute the significant role in the blood clotting mechanism, and hence the correct option here, that is prothrombinase does not initiator. Then in each option, rest of option A, C and D, prothrombinase is there as a first molecule. So prothrombinase, this enzyme formation happen after the involvement of the tissue factor, it means thromboplastin. Hence the correct option is B. For 7th also the correct option is B. Then next, let's move for the next. Here for this question you have to visit the Mahadev Munde NEET channel and see the quick recap for body fluids and circulation. Body fluids and circulation. Already I was narrated the information related to this question. Here the oxygenated blood, already it is known for us that the left side of blood had been concerned with the oxygenated blood. So the one indicate here the aortic arc, and the 4 indicate the left ventricle. So the left ventricle 4 and 1, it means the correct option is C. For this 8th question, correct option is C. Third option is correct because matter had been related to the oxygenated blood. Then let's move for the next slide. In this question also related with my discussion, you have to visit the youtube.com Mahadev Munde NEET channel, where that discussion proved useful for you people to resolve this question. So the doctor used stethoscope to hear the sounds produced during the each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when. So it is known for us that when the ventricular systole occurs or takes place, ventricular systole occurs or takes place, at that time, the tricuspid and bicuspid halls. Here for the ninth question, that can get closed, but whenever there is a relaxation, joint diastole, cardiac complete diastole, it means at the end of ventricular systole, what happens? Seminal halls. The halls, those are present at the bottom of the aorta as well as at the bottom of the pulmonary trunk. So at the bottom of aortic hall, that is the aortic hall, and at the bottom of the pulmonary trunk, that is the pulmonic hall. So both can get shut up, closed simultaneously at the end of ventricular systole. It means when the beginning of joint diastole takes place. So that is the second sound, and that is S2, and S2 is the dub or dub sound. So that is high pitch sound. Hence in this case the correct option is the D. For the ninth. Then next, let's move for the next. Which one of the following is matching pair? In this case again the martyr had been related to the lub-dub sound. That is the heartbeat production. So in this case, whenever you see the D, C and B, the matching is not correct, because initiation of the heartbeat not contributed by Purkinje fiber, that contributed by the SA node. Pulsation of the radial artery, halls in the blood, that is also not applicable. Dub sudden opening of the seminar halls. So closing of seminar halls takes place at the time of dub or the dub sound, that is S2 sound. So lub is the S1, and that is the closing of the AV halls. It means the bicuspid and tricuspid hall both can get shut up or closed when the beginning of ventricular systole to prevent the backflow in the respective atria. So the first sound, that is the low pitch sound, lub sound had been produced. Hence for this 10th question, the A is correct. First option is correct. Let's move for the next slide. It is much easier for a small animal to run uphill than for a large animal, because, so see here, rabbit etc. Whenever you try to know that rabbit, so on these hilly regions or the mountains, that can run very fastly as compared to the human being and other big animals. So in this case, all the options A, B, D, that does not applicable. Why? Because in small animals they have a higher metabolic rate. It means the energy production is fast. So energy is the capacity to work. Hence they can exhibit the run uphill very fast or faster than that of the large animals. So for this 11th, the correct option is C. Third option is correct for this question. Let's move for the next slide. Here this is the question related to the ECG. So here this type of P wave formation, QRS complex and T wave formation had been happen according to a cardiac cycle, that is the heartbeat. So it is known for us that heartbeat had been last for the 0.8 second. So this type of discussion also I did in that video. Quick recap: body fluids and circulation. So you have to visit there, Mahadev Gunde NEET channel. So you will get the idea about this P wave, QRS complex and T wave. So P wave had been happened because of the atrial systole. Then QRS complex had been happened because of the ventricular systole. So atrial systole P wave formation happened just within the 0.1 second. QRS complex ventricular systole that happened just within the 0.3 second, and T wave formation had been happened, that is the time of the joint diastole. So here in this case the P wave represent as the P wave represent as atrial depolarization, atrial contraction. It means contraction of both the atria takes place. Contraction of both the atria takes place. So the correct option is D. Fourth option is correct. Correct option is D. Fourth option is correct. Then next, let's move for the next slide. So this is the question related to the two chapters, circulation as well as the breathing mechanism of human being, human respiration, in 11th NCERT. So you have to see the NCERT page 272, where the partial pressures mentioned in regard of the CO2 as well as the O2. So the reciprocal of this CO2 as well as the O2. CO2 goes outside the body and O2 comes inside the body. That depends on the partial pressures. It means the individual pressures, then that aeration of the O2 as well as CO2. So where, at what situation, at what position in the body the partial pressure is what? On that the spreading of the blood happen. So in this case, see here in this diagrammatic representation, whenever you try to compare, in this case the fourth option A. So in figure, pulmonary vein takes impure blood from body part, that is wrong. The body part, impure blood comes from the lungs. So fourth is wrong. Indeed, dorsal aorta takes blood from heart to the body part, that is correct. Partial pressure of O2 is 95 mm of Hg. So that is also correct. But in diagram or figure, the D indicate the pulmonary trunk that goes to the lungs. So the D does not match with the figure, hence third option is also incorrect. Then the first option, see B, pulmonary artery. So B does not behave as a pulmonary artery. In the figure, B indicate that is systematic circulation. So that is the artery, not a pulmonary artery. And again the partial pressure also does not match there. But for the second option, C, in the figure also C indicate vena cava takes blood from body parts to right auricle, that is also correct. And the partial pressure of CO2 carbon dioxide is 45 mm of Hg at the body tissue, that is also correct. So figure match with the second option, hence the correct option is 2 in this case. Then next, let's move for the next. This is a matching type of atom. In this case, already it is known for us that from column 1 capillaries match with the third option of the column 2 narrowest blood vessels. Then aorta match with the fourth option of the column 2 elastic artery. Then the veins from column 1 provided with the halls, that is the one from column 2. And so this type of matching is there. So according to this matching for the 14, answer C, third option is correct. Answer is C, third option is correct. Third option is applicable in this case and others are not. Let's move for the next slide. In this case, a person with unknown blood group under ABO system has suffered much blood loss in an accident and needs an immediate blood transfusion. His one friend who has a valid certificate of his own blood type offers for blood donation without delay. What would have been the type of blood group of the donor friend? So in emergency, whenever there is no blood check, at that time the person with the blood group universal donor O is possible to perform this type of the work, or is possible to act as like this, what had been asked in the question. So for this 15, the correct option is blood group type O. So D is correct, D, because the O blood group is the universal donor and that can provide blood for anyone and others not, as like that. So this is all about the MCQs. Again you have to remember this is one important clue related to this chapter. Cardiac output means the 5 liters of the blood per minute had been pumped out inside our body from the heart at the time of blood circulation. So heart rate means our heart cardiac cycle, each heartbeat that lasts for 0.8 seconds. So accordingly per minute the 7 to 72 heartbeats had been produced, and the stroke volume at each heartbeat is 70 ml. So accordingly, the cardiac output is equal to heart rate into stroke volume, that is near about 5040 ml, so approximately 5 liters per minute. So this is all about the MCQ valuation or estimation. So whenever you feel this discussion nice, these questions nice, then this type of questions NTA can arrange for your NEET examination 2020. So accordingly you have to prepare. Could you please like and share this video for your friends and relatives, as well as don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will try to provide the more and more better type of videos for you people afterward of this. So thank you for all of you to listen me peacefully.